أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
Okay, today we're out in front of the mosque here in Richland, Washington. We got a full parking lot today. They're just coming out. It looks like somebody's upset with Peggy. I'm gonna have to go over and see what's going on here.
And I don't know you.
Well, he was speaking to some people, not everybody.
But who calls him Lord, Lord? He said those people call him
Lord.
No.
His Lord.
He said those people call me Lord, Lord. Get away from me. Do you remember that verse of the Bible?
There are some people that say Lord, Lord, and they don't know the Lord.
No, but when they say they call Jesus Lord, Lord, didn't he say about those people?
I'm not sure what you're talking
Let me bring the verses of the Bible. It says, Jesus says,
But are you born again?
Are you born again?
Yes,
Are you?
Christian.
Are you really?
I really am.
So you think Islam is okay?
I think faith is beautiful.
Faith in what? A false prophet?
Problem.
So you're not a Christian.
I am Christian. I believe in God. You guys are the problem.
You know, the devil believes in God.
You guys are spreading hate.
The devil believes in God.
In your opinion. What did you guys say again? What did you say? Why don't you tell everybody how you feel?
Muhammad is a false prophet. Muhammad is a false prophet. And they pray to a rock in Mecca. That's idolatry.
You're so proud. What's your first and last name?
My name is Dale.
Dale. What's your last name, Dale?
My last name is Brown.
Dale
You can
Brown?
look me up.
Why?
Exposing lies of the false prophets.
And what's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Chelsea Slater. Where do you live?
Slater. Yeah. So this is a gal that claims to be a Christian, but she thinks Muhammad is okay.
Oh, now she's got a potty mouth.
Potty mouth. A Christian with a potty mouth. Excuse me?
Are you there in the corner because of the church, or just you're here because it's a big spot?
It's not a church, it's a mosque.
Okay, a mosque with same thing. It's still a place of worship. So are you here against them?
Yeah, because Muhammad is a false prophet, and I'm a Christian, and I have issue with that.
Okay, all right.
Okay?